Hello my friends, if you are finding this video by chance, just for letting you know that this is the third one of a video of a series of 4 videos. You will find the link to the introduction here. Now that we've seen what is the detail of the tools, let's have a look at the magic box. So basically the magic box is for having all the different little screws and little nails around, and you have different means of having this for your works. First way, I told you here at the beginning already, there's a little place where with small compartments, so that's where you can store your small little pieces. For instance, here I took example of nails, so I have 3 sizes. This you should have one long, one medium and one small, typically for putting small pictures on the wall, and you can put them here in these compartments, so it's well sorted. And for the screws, this really depends on the works you're doing, so I can't tell it for you, but you can put them as well stored in the box here. Further useful things for me are these little things for putting frames. So this one is closed, let's open it. So this one is for small frames. The nails are included already. You can have bigger ones, and what is also very useful are these small little, how to say, kind of circles you can screw directly on wood. Also useful for fixing little frames, for putting them on the wall. You may need bigger ones, but I mean that's really depending on what you're doing. And then, in case this here is not enough, which will happen probably quite quickly, you can make some little additions. So this is a small box. It's very clear. You can see on both sides, so it's a nice little additional box. You can also take bigger ones. This is something I purchased on a market. So this was obviously someone dealing with old clocks. Then I can show you my personal one, and I think this is the big size, the right size, where you can find almost everything. You have different sizes of screws. You have these little discs, also very useful. So this is some things for electricity. So basically you put here all the little things you don't need once you have finished your works. And here, for instance, I put also sorted in a small bag, in small plastic bags, where I sorted the screws by size, because this is the basis of your work. You will need to have the right size. So this is a very nice size, and it's also fitting in the bag for the basic tools. And for more advanced users, this is the one I have here in my house on the countryside. This is much bigger. And basically I'm putting here all the things I unfixed or that I didn't use. And when I need, for instance, one screw, which happens very often, I can just pick out the right size from my magic box. That's it for the boxes, guys.